Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the video. My name's Courtney, and today we're going to be talking about how you can create your first digital product to resell completely for free. Okay. All it's going to take is your time. So you need to sign up for a free Canva account. Okay. It's completely free. All right. Then you're going to come up here and hit create. Okay. Then what do you want to create? What do you want to create? If you want to create a recipes guide, you type in recipes guide. Okay. See if anything comes up. Recipe book cover. Okay. Because we're creating a book or a guide, actually, but in their world, it's a book. Okay. So it's going to bring this up. It's going to bring up a pop up of all different templates. Okay. This is completely free. Okay. I'm teaching you how to do this step by step. And if you're into digital marketing and you want my free guide, just click the link down in the description and it will send it to you. Okay. It's completely free. Now, I do want to let you know that these templates with the crown are paid. Okay. You have to have a pro account. You should see like up here, start your trial for $0 if you want pro, but you don't need it. Okay. So we'll just scroll through here, and any cute one that you see that doesn't have a crown, um, we can use. The choices are usually very limited, but okay. What if we pick this one? Okay. We're going to apply both pages. So then you have the title page with all this food on here. Okay. If you want to delete anything, you just click and hit delete. Click and hit delete. And you can add text boxes, you can add elements. You can type up here what you're looking for. You can add videos and emojis or whatever. Change the name of the cookbook. If I want to name this 10-minute recipes, R-E-Ps, okay? You can move this. I can write down here for the busy mom, mom. Okay. You can change the font. Okay. You can change what the font looks like. Okay. Whatever font you like, you can change it if you want it to be bold or italic or underlined. Okay. Like I said, you can change the size. You can change the color, change whatever you'd like. Okay. Then you get the pages here, and you can delete what you don't like here, and you can add pages. So we're going to add some pages. Okay. Then, after we've added a couple pages, you don't have to add all of them. We're going to go to Chat GPT. Okay. And we're going to type in Chat GPT. Okay. Chat GPT is completely free as well. What we're going to do is we're going to create a recipe guide for 10 minute recipes for the busy mom and selling at a $27 price point. Now, why you want to do this, and ChatGPT is going to literally spit out your whole book for you. Okay? Literally spit out your whole book. Okay? It's going to take what you sent it in, complete 10-minute recipes for the busy mom. Okay? Quick, healthy, and family friendly recipes in 10 minutes or less. Suggested selling price $27. So we're going to take this welcome, okay? This welcome text, okay? And all I did was copy it, okay? Copy it. And then we're going to go up here, okay? You can keep the picture if you'd like. I don't want that. I don't want that. We don't need that. You know, there's a lot of stuff that I like to take off that I don't feel like I need, okay? But I want you to feel like you can customize this. We're going to go over to text box, okay? We're going to add a subheading. And literally all I do is copy and paste it. So all I did, okay? Now, you'll see that the writing is a little bit too big for our book, okay? So you want to make this come down so it fits in the page, okay? We'll move that because, okay? We want our book, maybe we want this picture moved up a little bit and we want this um, a little bit smaller, maybe. Um, so we can move it down, okay? All you're going to do with this whole book is recipe 1, 5-minute breakfast burrito, okay? You're going to copy and paste this. Copy it. Go to our second page. Add a subheading. Why I choose subheading? It's just smaller. If you choose heading, it's bigger and bolder, okay? Now, you will have to make this smaller because obviously it's not all fitting on this, but then you can bring it in if you want to bring it in, if you want no laps on the, okay? If you want to um, bring the instructions down a little bit, or you want a space, you can literally customize this any way you want, okay? So there's the second one. And you just go through and you keep doing this, okay? I just want you to copy and paste it. Get the ebook the way you want it, okay? I want you to get this how you want it. You're going to need for this one, it even gives you a sales page description. So you can put this wherever you want. If you're trying to put this in a funnel, but I'm going to bonus 7-day 10-minute plan, okay? You're going to copy and paste all these into individual pages of your guide, okay? Then you're going to come over to find out what thing you want to host your product on. Standstore, System.io, Beacons, Linktree, whatever it is, and you want to click share, okay? And you're going to click download, okay? and then you want to do PDF standard, and you want to download this onto your computer, okay? Because you're going to take StanStore or Beacons or System.io or Linktree, and you're going to upload it there at a $27 price point, okay? Then you're going to go to Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, wherever it is you want to sell this guide. And you're going to create content about, hey, I just created a 10-minute meal guide for busy moms with it only costs $27, okay? If you market that because you're a busy mom too, that's why you created it, you're going to be able to sell this quick recipe guide, because what mom doesn't want to be standing in the kitchen after she's worked a 9-hour day, right? And picked up the kids and did dishes and walked the dog and did all these other things, right? So you're going to sell this digital product for $27 13 times a day for a month, and you make over $10,000. Creating a product isn't hard. Creating content and marketing it is the hard part, because you have to stay consistent. Okay? So when you market it and you learn how to sell products online to people and make money doing it, then you can duplicate that you did it. Okay? So I'm just giving you a example today. If you want my free digital marketing guide, how you can get started with digital marketing today and do this exact same thing, you can click the link below in my bio and it will tell you how to start digital marketing. Okay? But this walkthrough was for how to create your own digital product in Canva. All right? And sell it for $27. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you subscribe, hit the bell notification so you're notified when I drop new videos. Have a great day, everyone.